Friends, I, Dr. B. Singh from Prisdil Urja, today want to talk on a very important topic, that is progress card versus report card. System of issuing report card by CBSE in classes 10 and 12 is around 3 decades old. As you are aware, we are getting the marks and grades in all subjects now. Earlier, there used to be a system of giving total marks also, percentage at the bottom and the rank. But some of the schools misutilized the system and therefore CBSE switched over to the system of granting grades and marks in different subjects. Grading system was also approved. I was part of CBSE team when this system came into practice. But due to some political intervention, CBSE had to roll back, and since then the system of granting marks and grades is going on. Now time has come when we switch over to the system of progress card. Progress card is a descriptive document where marks are given at the bottom. First dimension is mentioning learning style of the child. We talk about holistic education. Therefore, we have to have all these dimensions in the progress card, especially when children go to world over overseas universities. They need this kind of descriptive card only, and we have to issue that. Many schools during pandemic have started using system of progress card. As I mentioned, first there is a learning style, and then there are qualitative dimensions about behavior, attitude, mindset, personality, and then marks are given at the bottom. So friends, please think of seriously on this card. We would expect from CBSE also to think seriously about it and come out with a standard template of progress card. We'll have to create rubrics in order to give remarks which are more authentic and appropriate as per the nature of the child. And then overall remark can also be there, recommendation can also be there. So with this way, progress card will be more useful than the present system of issuing report card. We may talk more on this. You may log on to our website prisdilurja.com, or you can talk to us on 9873173122, or send us email on prisdil.urja@gmail.com. All the very best. God bless you.